everyone, this is MJ. I'm so excited you've joined me for my countdown to Christmas featuring MJ's Merry Minis. I've designed 25 Christmas ornaments and each one will release from December 1st through to December 25th, and you'll be able to find the pattern for free on my blog on the ornaments release day. Now I'm hosting a crochet along over in my Facebook community group, and the link will be in the description box if you want to join in and post your pictures. If you'd rather not wait for all 25 ornaments to release, I've decided to put together a beautifully designed ebook featuring all 25 crochet ornaments. You can purchase the ebook through the link in my description box. Hey, this is MJ, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make these quick and easy pom-pom boho Christmas ornaments. They're going to look great on my tree. I have these wooden beads I'm going to be putting on my tree this year, so I've added some wooden beads that I purchased from Amazon. These are also from Amazon, so you can pick them up. This is the package of beads that I ordered, and these are a 20mm size. So for this size pom-pom, I'm using this Clover pom-pom maker. It's really easy to use, and it makes your pom-pom about 4.5 inches, which is a great size also for hats. So if you want to invest in your own pom-pom maker, it will be great not only for these ornaments, but any hats you want to make in the future. You're going to need some worsted weight yarn. I've chosen white for my tree, but pick any color that you want, and just grab yourself a big ball of any super value yarn is fine for this project, and some string just for tying your pom-poms and adding your beads. So to begin, you're going to want to open up your pom-pom maker, okay, so that the arms are out like this. We can focus on one at a time. And we're going to just start wrapping these arms together. Now, the more you wrap, the thicker the pom-pom will be. So this one isn't overly thick. It kind of, you could have a thicker one than this, but this was just basically covering so that you can't see any of the blue. So you just keep wrapping. Okay, so you see I've wrapped enough that there's really no blue popping through anymore. You can just cut that, and you're going to do the same thing with the other arm. Okay, so once you've done both sides, you're going to sandwich it here together, and then in the grooves, we are just trimming all our pieces here. So simple to make these pom-poms with a pom-pom maker. Just keep cutting through all the grooves. So now what we're going to do is take the twine and put it through the grooves. You're going to trim it and then knot. Then we can go around to the other side and knot it as well. Then you can just open up your arms. And remove the pieces. Now I like to give it a good little shake, and then just trim any of our stragglers. But overall, the pom-pom will come out fairly nice just on its own. Now you can thread your string here onto your yarn needle, and then we can just add some wooden beads, and you can add really as many as you want. Just add one. Any style of bead really that you want to add. Then all you need to do is knot You can make these in any color really to suit your decor for your Christmas tree, but this just is a really quick and easy ornament to sort of add that homemade, handmade touch to your tree. So this one I did maybe a little bit fuller than this one. Sometimes as well, I pulled from the center of the ball. If you pull the yarn from the outside of the ball, it won't be as straggly. So this one could use maybe a little bit of a blow dry to make it smooth out a bit. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy pom-pom ornament idea. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell to stay updated on new videos and tutorials. Thanks so much, everyone. Have an awesome day.